Hello everyone, my name is Manasa. My topic is fingerprint-based voting machine. Fingerprint-based voting machines are electronic voting systems that use biometric technology to identify voters and prevent fraud. A fingerprint-based voting machine is an electronic device used for voting in which a voter's identity is verified through their fingerprint. The machines capture the voter's fingerprint and stores it in a database to ensure that each person can only vote. This technology is designed to prevent voter fraud, improve accuracy, speed up the voting process, and enhance accessibility for people with disabilities. Here it is a model of fingerprint-based voting machine. Fingerprint scanner captures the voter's fingerprint and verifies their identity. Control unit processes the data from the fingerprint scanner and stores it in a database. Display unit display with instructions and information to the voter, such as candidate names and voting instructions. Printer prints out a receipt or record of the voter's choice for editing purpose. Power supply provides the necessary power to run the machine. The fingerprint-based voting machine is a highly advanced and secure system that ensures fair and accurate voting. Its components work together to provide a reliable and efficient voting experience. It will be very useful for voting. Thank you.